Welcome to this video on navigation in Flutter. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify the components of navigation in Flutter, describe the three navigation types used in applications. Navigation in mobile apps refers to the process of moving between different screens or pages. Flutter makes building navigation elements easier through different methods, including Navigator, which is a widget that manages a stack of pages, and Drawer, which is a slide-in menu for navigation. The three navigation types you might use in your application are stack navigation, tab navigation, and drawer navigation. Let's explore each of these three types of navigation. Imagine a stack of cards where you can add or remove cards from the top. Stack navigation in Flutter operates similarly. It allows you to transition between pages or screens by stacking new ones on top of the existing ones. When you navigate to a new screen, the current one is pushed onto the navigation stack. When you go back, the top screen is removed from the stack. This form of navigation is often used for hierarchical or ranked importance and linear flows within an application. Stack navigation is typically used to navigate between different screens in a linear flow. For example, an e-commerce app might have a screen that displays a list of products. When a user taps on a product, it navigates to the product detail screen. After adding items to the cart, the user can navigate to the checkout screen. Now, let's examine how the code might appear. This Dart code tells a Flutter app to navigate to a new screen. The code uses navigator.push to add a route to the navigation stack and display product detail screen. The material page route is created with a builder function that constructs the product detail screen widget, passing it to a product object from the current context. Another type of navigation in Flutter is tab navigation. Tabs are an essential element of mobile app navigation, enabling users to switch between different sections or views swiftly without losing their current content. Flutter simplifies the implementation of tabbed navigation with its built-in widgets such as Tab Bar and Tab Bar View. By using these widgets, you can create an attractive and functional tab navigation experience that is ideal for organizing content into coherent segments. You also have the flexibility to customize your tab's appearance, making it easy to craft a distinctive look and feel for your app. For example, you can use tab navigation for apps that need to show different sections or categories that users can quickly switch between. A social media app might have a home tab to display the user's feed, a search tab to allow users to search for content, a notifications tab to show notifications and alerts, and a profile tab to display the user's profile information. These tabs are essential parts of the user experience. The drawer navigation is a favored navigation style in mobile applications. It features a concealed panel that slides out from the side of the screen, displaying a menu with various navigation options. This efficient method conserves screen space, keeping the main content of your app visible while still providing easy access to additional features or sections. Drawer navigation is ideal for apps that have many sections or options that don't fit comfortably in a tab bar. For example, a news app might have top stories that users can navigate to see the main news feed. The drawer navigation might also show different categories such as sports, technology, and entertainment. It might also have bookmarks for saved articles. Users can also use the drawer navigation to access app settings and preferences. In this video, you learned that navigation in Flutter makes building elements easier with Navigator, a widget that manages a stack of pages, and Drawer, which is a slide-in menu. Stack navigation is a navigation type that allows transitions between pages or screens by stacking new ones on top of the existing ones. Tab navigation enables users to switch between different sections or views swiftly without losing their current content. Drawer navigation has a concealed panel that slides out from the side of the screen, displaying a menu with navigation options.